Meet Mr. CEO. He runs multiple successful businesses. Big business means big money. It also means a large workforce and complex business processes on a daily basis. A typical employee filters through his inbox, identifies hundreds of relevant emails, and extracts data. He uses Excel and other applications to collect data, perform calculations, and create reports. He then emails or uploads these reports. All this takes up a lot of time and effort and is prone to errors. A simple mistake or delay by one employee can cause serious damage and expose the entire business to risk. Jim here sent incorrect reports to a big customer by mistake. Jim's co-workers are not happy, nor is Mr. CEO. Business processes are often interdependent, and hence Mr. CEO does not want to compromise on quality and productivity on any of them. But he has not been able to find solutions with existing technologies. Mistakes and delays have been rising over time, and Mr. CEO is starting to lose money and reputation. Isn't there anyone to help him? Introducing SheetKraft, a patented automated platform for business processes. Our engineers automate all the repetitive and manual steps of sourcing data from emails, shared folders, and applications, and processing the data to create the necessary reports. The processes run centrally on your own infrastructure. Access controls and audit trails are built in. Processes that require hours of manual work get done in a matter of a few minutes, and SheetKraft automatically generates reports or emails, uploads them to the intended targets, and all of this happens with one click on a simple browser interface. With SheetKraft in charge of running his processes, Mr. CEO is now a relieved man. Our many clients rely confidently on SheetKraft to make sure that their businesses operate smoothly, risk-free, and several times faster. To know more,